There are too many zombies on the road. Can I still complete my mission like this? Deliver the goods to the destination. Never mind. Let's take on the challenge. Let's go. Hey. My car is too slow. The zombies are coming. No. What? I got bitten. Hey, keep moving forward. There are so many zombies ahead. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. No. 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 Don't bite me. Aw. I ran over the zombie and it exploded. Oh, let's keep moving forward. Hey. This car is so bad. The road is a little uneven. It's gotten even slower. Hey! The zombies are coming. The zombies are coming. No. Run. 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 Don't bite. Wah. Wah. My car is about to break. Stop beating. Stop beating. Wah. The car was destroyed by zombies. It seems. I can't do it without modifying the car. Let's see what parts I have. What is this block? Oh, this block can increase the car's health. Okay. Let's remove the suspension and tires first. Then, install the blocks. Let's install it like this. This way, it looks more like a normal car. Then put the suspension and tires back on. Hey! And the tires. What other parts do I have? What is this? Oh, this is a bumper, right? Let's install it at the very front of the car. Are there any other parts? There's also a motor. Install the motor on the back of the car. Any more? No more. More. No more. More part. Okay, finally. Let's bring the goods on board. Let's go. Oh, the car is much faster. Charles, Charles. What is that up there? Hey, it's money. Oh, got it, got it. Collected the money. $90. Let's take a shortcut. Hey, there's a shortcut here. Turn, turn, turn. Charge, 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 charge. Arrived at the checkpoint. Oh, earned $50. And there's meat here. Hey, so I can deliver the goods to a farther place. Go back and restock, and then try the challenge again. Come on! This time the challenge is to deliver the goods to a farther place. Charles, Charles. I'm not afraid of these zombies now. Hey, collect the money here. $90. Then follow the small road. Follow the small road. Hey, turn here, turn here, turn here. Hey, hit the fence and lost. ... A lot of health. All right, let's go this way. Hey, there's a blue zombie. It's over. My car is about to run out of gas. Wow, I'm out of gas. I can buy a fuel tank here. $150. Let's buy a fuel tank. Come on. Let's install the fuel tank. Hey, let's adjust the position here. Good. Let's go again. Can I succeed in the challenge this time? Charles, Charles. Zombies, come. Zombies, come and attack. Okay, go up. I want to collect money. Hey, not enough acceleration. Ha, reversing. Okay, let's go through this small path. Okay, through this small path. I can only charge through here. Okay. Then here, there's also a small path here. Take the shortcut. take the shortcut. Don't mess with those blue zombies. Hey, are they coming? No. No. Oh. Keep charging forward. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. No. Yo. There are so many blue zombies here. So many of them. It's over. I've already hit them. Oh. Arrived at the second checkpoint. Wow. Delivering the goods here. ... GIVESA 1.2x reward for delivery. And there's still a road ahead. So I can deliver the goods even further. Right. Let's go. Let's go check ahead first. What is this? Wow. So many skeleton monsters. Should I really go over there? No, not enough fuel. Okay, I've decided. Let's spend some real money. This treasure chest gives 1 motor. 1 fuel tank, 4 plastic blocks, ... and 3 items. Buy this. Only 49 Robux. Purchase. And there's another treasure chest to buy over here. It has a turret and a small ammo box. And so many items. 99 Robux. Let's buy this too. Purchase. Okay. Let's use those items. Use them all. Next, let's modify the car. Let's install all the equipment we just got. Here, is this the motor? Oh, it's the motor! Motor! I don't want to install it. I want to install the motor here. And this is the fuel tank. Wow, this is so asymmetrical. Whatever, never mind. And this turret. ... Let's go. Put the turret here. The turret's ammo! ... Can fit right this here. Way. A gun on one side and ammo on the other. It's symmetrical. Okay, let's go. Let's go. This time, I should be able to deliver the goods even further. Waha! This turret can one-shot zombies. Wow. Hey, charge, charge, charge. Hey. I crash. Come on, come on. Be careful, be careful. This. It's them. Oh, huh. The turret is so powerful. But I only have 10 bullets left. Should I save them? Whatever. Never mind. Just charge straight ahead. Come on. Rampage! Quick! Wah, road! Wah, I'm out of ammo. Can I make it? Oh, I'm so tough. Ha ha ha, hey. Hey? What is this over here? Oh, this is for refueling. And there are red zombies here. Oh. I've reached the next checkpoint. Wow. Delivering goods at this checkpoint. ... can get you a 4x reward. Deliver. My $200. Here. I want to... ... Take another look. What other pay-to-win items can I buy? Crazy. Steering wheel. What is it? Let's see. 299 Robux. Purchase. And there's also double boost duration here. Hey, I want to buy this. Let my boost items last longer. 100 Robux. Purchase. Hey, what else is down here? What else is down here? Whoa. There are some super powerful parts here. A flame turret. 350 Robux. Purchase. And then... ... Let's buy an electric motor. 200 Robux. Go buy. And there are tires here. Come on, let's buy 4. Purchase. Next, what is this? Super strong block. Does this thing add a ton of health? Adds 350 health. That's insane. Let's buy 4 of these two. Purchase. Okay, let's modify the car. Let's swap out these blocks first. Let's remove the suspension and tires first. This makes it easier to modify. And remove the bumper too, and the cargo. Next, install the alloy blocks. These alloy blocks look so cool. One more. Let's put the last one here. And hold on. Bumper? Bumper? Let's install the bumper first. Next, let's switch to the Tatooine tires we just got. Wow. These Tatooine tires are also super cool. Install them on the other side too. Then switch to the Tatooine motor. Let's go. Next is the Tatooine weapon. Hey. Let's install the weapon like this. Then bring the cargo. Can I carry several cargos? Hey, I can. Let's just take 3. Okay, this should do it. Charge. Ooh. This turning angle. These tires are insane. Or is it the steering wheel? So powerful. Come on, wow. 400 demit. Is that the Tatooine weapon? Ha ha ha! Wait a minute. This is just too powerful. Hey, I have over 1,000 health. How far can I deliver the goods like this? Let's go. Charge, 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 charge. Just ram them. I'm not afraid. Come on, keep charging forward. These monsters. Wow, this is so satisfying. Ah, I'm out of ammo. I can only use ramming now. Haha. I sent the giant zombie flying just by ramming it. This is insane. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Wow, I have to do some parkour here. Ayo. Careful, careful. Don't fall off. Get over, get over. Wow. This thing's mobility is super strong. This angle. Ahahaha. Let's go this way. Hey, there are too many monsters up ahead. Can I? Wow, I can. This is too awesome. The Tatooine car. Hey, be careful here. Careful, careful, careful. Don't fall off. Ayu, whoa. Wow, where is this? I can still keep going forward. Hey! Delivering the goods here gives a 5x bonus. But I want to keep going. Let's go. Is this a zombie up ahead? Hey, this zombie can't be sent flying. I really want to shoot them with the turret. The monsters here are so strong. Hey! It's over! What?